Hello, I am Sajeevan, security professional, occupational health and safety officer, and a firefighter who is experienced and passionate in creating positive results. I am a security officer of world famous security organization G4S International and currently working as a security in charge for a client Q Invest, the #1 Islamic investment company in Qatar. I worked with organizations in India and Qatar since 1992. My employers are always known me as a professional who is excellent in improving and managing work activities by training, handling and coordinating people. I have a good track record in G4S Qatar also. My core area is firefighting along with security procedures, CCTV operations, access control, control room operations, occupational safety and environmental safety, etc. I worked as security guard, security supervisor and security coordinator, fire marshal in industries like petroleum companies, security service providers, banks and in hospitality sector also. I had an undergraduate level education along with industrial training certificate, IOSH certification in managing safety, CIEH level 2 certification in fire safety along with basic emergency first aid certification, computer operation certification and a valid Indian light motor vehicle driving license also. I am a self-made person born and brought up in a rural village in India. I started working at the age of 17 after completing my high school education. With the money that I earned, I could acquire all my other qualifications, proving that life skills are more important than the formal education one has. I can speak 4 languages and can handle, manage, coordinate and motivate a team efficiently and effectively. I can deal and manage any crisis situations effectively by successful coordination. My goal in life is to be a senior managerial position in occupational health and safety by acquiring more skills, knowledge and qualifications and by contributing responsibly and creatively. If you need a person with a bright attitude, skills, expertise, dedication, loyalty and leadership qualities, then I can confidently say that I am the person you are looking for. You can contact me with my email ID kns@live.in. Thank you for spending your valuable time for watching my resume. Thank you very much.